65,000 years ago, something monstrous guarded its unborn young, and humans made a deadly mistake. The signs were clear. The nest had been broken, but who would dare? And yet, the mother still watched, waiting, patient, silent. Far from their kind, the small scavengers had stolen the serpent's future. But the jungle keeps no secrets. Every thief leaves a trail. And in the middle of it all, the Neanderthals followed signs of danger and opportunity. Eku felt it, the silence of the hunters, the whisper before the strike. The eggs were fragile, and the price of theft was already slithering closer. A whisper of scales, a rumble beneath the roots. She rose like a ghost from the earth, pure white, silent death. Panic was their only weapon, and even that too slow. In the blink of an eye, nature's oldest hunter reclaimed her loss. Rock knew they had to stay unseen, yet he felt the pull of the eggs, curiosity and fear, twin fires that burn every young soul. They had stolen from lions, from hyenas, but never from a monster like this. A sound, a shadow, a moment. That's all they needed. Only one remained, life untouched, prize unclaimed. He ran not for glory, but for survival. But death always sees. The spear saved him once. Luck might not save him twice. Brains, not brawn, the only weapon against a serpent this size. A pit of spikes, primitive minds, ancient genius. They dared the monster closer, a gamble with no second chance. When the ground moved, even fear forgot to breathe. The ground swallowed the ghost, roars of stone and dust. For the first time, humans beat a god of the forest. But every victory carries a cost. The nest was no more. And life, fragile and pure, always finds a way to remain. Some said, keep it. Others feared its curse. In the end, mercy won over hunger. And the valley forgot the screams of battle. But nature never truly dies. She rose again, broken but breathing vengeance. They thought they had won. They were wrong. The hunter became hunted once more. High ground, only hope left under burning sun. Stone against scale, desperation against nature. The elder's final strength ended the terror. And so, silence returned to the wild. The world gives life, but only to those who respect it. A silent tribute to the creature that tested their courage. They left not as hunters, but as survivors of a legend. But deep in the nest, a new ghost opened its eyes. Life never ends, it only transforms. The day closed on blood and mercy alike. He had faced death and learned what fear truly means. Knowledge born from danger was mankind's true weapon. They rested under the same sun that watched every hunt before them. This was not the end of the story. Like, share, and subscribe to journey deeper into the prehistoric world. Next time, 64,000 years ago, when Neanderthals faced the ice mammoths.